Hi, my name is Melinda Johnson. I am a Little Rose independent stylist, and today I'm going to talk to you about the different sizes of our Flexi clip and the different motifs and how they're different. First, I'm going to show you that on all our Flexi clips, except for the minis, you will find a indication, an etched mark that shows what size this is. So this is a medium. And then this is a small, and so forth. That way, when you have multiple of them and you don't know which size you're choosing, it's easy to find them. And when you want to go to reorder, then you know what size you are for the different styles you use. We have 7 different sizes from mini, extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, and mega. And that's what makes the Flexi clip customizable. Because on some days your hair might need a bigger clip, might need a smaller clip, depending on how you're wearing it or how many twists you do. So I find it's great to have different clips of different sizes. So for example, if you want to know what's the difference between, you can usually tell in the pictures that are on the website, but I just want to show you from my collection. This was the Flexi of the month one time, this little love motif, and I have it in the medium and the small. And so a little bit different size beads. It's been used a lot, so it's definitely bended to conform to my hairstyle, but there's a little slight difference. But in this case, they use the same size motif. Now, if it was smaller, they'd use a smaller size motif here, and maybe a slightly bigger one for the really big ones. So they do adjust these motifs so that they seem, they go with the size of the clip. They spend a lot of time every month when the Flexi of the month comes out. They show us how the design came out and what they did and what kind of beads they tried and stuff to make it so we kind of understand the process. Now, even if you get the same size and you want, and you know that you say you're a medium. I'm a medium for updos. So today I have my Joy on from a couple Christmases ago. Sometimes there are differences within the size depending on the beads, the number of beads, and the motif, and so forth. So what I have in my hand are all mediums, okay? But they're all gonna be a little bit different lengths. And so on some days, I'll go for one that's a little bit shorter length and on top length this way, okay? Not necessarily the pin, but the actual figure 8 by itself. Okay, so this is one of mine that has a big motif here. And again, this is a Flexi of the month. And it has some very large beads. So it appears smaller than some of my other Flexi clips. For example, this one. This lighting doesn't let you see that, okay? So this one appears to be a little bit smaller, but that's because of the beading on it. And so there can be some discrepancies between the size, a little bit, and that's again makes it more comfortable, makes it more customizable. Here's another one, this one, because it doesn't have as many beads on it, so it looks a little bit different. Sorry. It might be a little bit different. This one's actually an older style, so that might also make a little bit of a difference as well. And I've used it a lot. And so if I were to adjust the Flexi clip, it might look a little bit less stretched out. So just be aware that there's a little bit of discrepancy sometimes between the sizes. Okay, that's it for now on the sizing of the Flexi clips. I'll share with you in another video, or already have, how to put one in. Thank you and have a good day.